Welcome back, Figure Force, and prepare to enter a realm of darkness with the Ravenspawn, a figure draped in shadows and dark elegance from McFarlane's 2021 Spawn collection. Unveil the dark allure of the Ravenspawn, with packaging that whispers of mysterious beauty and eerie charm. With its sinister look and enigmatic allure, this grim figure commands attention with its haunting presence. Ravenspawn's gauntlets are adorned with spikes and jagged edges. The Ravenspawn's armor clings to him like stretched skin, a macabre second layer that melts to his form. Its unnatural texture is a chilling reminder of its dark origins. Included with Ravenspawn is the black base with Spawn logo, the scythe wielded by Ravenspawn is a soul harvester. The lengths of the chain seem to coil themselves eagerly around the figure. Ravenspawn's axe is a sinister tool of destruction, its edge honed to perfection. The demonic Lord Craven Gore, one of Malbolgia's Deathlings, was credited with the creation of the K7 Letha, also known as the Hellspawn suit, the symbiotic suit that adapted itself to its host to create a Hellspawn. Craven Gore was defeated, and the suit sealed away into the Necro Stone. Anyone who found the stone was endowed with a Hellspawn suit and became a Hellspawn. Thank you for watching, everyone. And if you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe and join the force. And if you got this figure in your collection, leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Till next time, Figure Force.